Hi everybody, Sarah with Doing Daisies here, and in my never-ending quest to will spring to come early, and I always go through this every February, it never fails, I am going to make a terrarium. Most of the items I'm using you can find at Dollar Tree. The terrarium, actually you can pick up on Amazon, and this was something that I ordered by mistake. I didn't read and just went off the picture, thought I was ordering an a terrarium kit instead of just a terrarium as a Christmas gift. And when it arrived, it was indeed just the bowl. And I thought, I'm just going to keep it and reorder the gift. It was my fault. I went back, looked at the listing. I didn't read. And I know you all have probably gone through that before. I do it once in a while, especially as much as I order online. But I'm going to use this. I think it's an adorable little bowl. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add sand to the bottom. And Dollar Tree does indeed sell sand. The sand I'm using did not come from Dollar Tree. I'm not sure where I got it from. It was probably Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Could have been Joann's too. I kind of am all over the place when it comes to craft stores. Alright, there we go. I think that's probably enough. Then I'm going to take these little plants that I got at Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to pull them out of their little containers. I'm going to clean off the styrofoam that's on them. Alright, and I'm going to stick this first one all the way in the back since it's the tallest. And maybe see if I can bend this a little bit. No, maybe cut it. There we go. Just snip off the bottom a little bit so I can get it in there. Alright, just get the sand around it, stabilize it just a bit. Alright, and then I'm going to add another plant. It's kind of off here to the side. And the third one. Just play with them till you get them around kind of how you like them. Then I'm going to go in, add a few stones just to give a little bit of interest. Alright, and alright, so it's a pretty quick and easy project. You can add, a few other things. These are some larger stones that I had picked up at Dollar Tree. And maybe take one of those, stick it back all the way in the back to just try to add a little bit of color and just a little bit of texture back there. And then find something else maybe that you have laying around that you think would be kind of cute in the terrarium. And with this terrarium, they sent me this little owl. I'm not sure why. It was the only thing that came with it. So I'm not sure if it was a mistake or just why they would have sent it. But I might just set him over here in the leaves just to kind of add a little something. I may go outside later, get a small twig or something just to add a little more variety. But here is the finished terrarium. And I'll get some shots of the front of it. It's a quick, easy, cute project, and with the Dollar Tree plants, It is absolutely no maintenance whatsoever. The other thing you could use, and I would have loved to have put in here if I had any, were air plants. I absolutely love air plants, and I will be doing some terrariums later using the air plants. All right, I hope you guys all have a great day. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.